Hello, everybody. My name is Tucker, and welcome back to our Russian Fishing for Float Fishing character. Today, we're back out trying for perch one more time at Mosquito. We're over here at 5890, and there was a fish on here, and it just gave up. You did see we first fish today was that nice white bream, 336, I think it was, gram white bream. And this rod started making noise, so moved off it a little bit quick there. But did get that 336 gram white bream on float. I did do one little difference on my float rod. Put a size 4 hook on instead of a size 1. We'll see if that helps or makes any difference at all. I still have size 1 hooks on the two bottom rods. I actually saw someone post this spot with trophy perch using size 6 hooks. I didn't have size 6 and I didn't want to go buy a hook. And I didn't want to go much smaller than 6. And this next closest I had was an 8, so decided to go with a 4 instead. Decent perch, 682. Nope, I did get this fish. Thought I had missed it. It's a perch. 536. I guess also I did make a change in the not the depth. Depth is still 1.25 on the float rod. The clip on the two bottom rods, I've got it at 8 meters instead of 10. All of a sudden, I got a frog in my throat. Maybe I should have gone frogging. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Figured I was getting a good start. It was 6 o'clock when I logged in today. Excuse me. Frog in the throat's getting annoying. Either clear my throat there or cough, and didn't want to cough. Come on, fish. Come on, fishy fish. Wanted to switch the quiver tip off the lightest one. Got the heaviest one on the right and the middle one on rod 2. I think I finally got whatever is tickling my throat dislodged. Had to mute and cough there, but hopefully that helps. Come on, fish. Come on, fishy fish. Finally. Now I need it to just actually take it. There it goes. I was also an idiot and hadn't locked this rod. The dog agrees. I don't know if you heard that loud dog sigh right as I said I was an idiot. 990-gram perch, not bad. Still a ways off, but better than nothing. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. It's reasonable. Not a trophy, though. 570. Did it slip off 3? No, it's still on. Saw it pulling and bend the rod, and then it just went somewhat slack. Got concerned it slipped off. 621. I'll take that. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. You're fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy. Dog across the street is barking and mine's going a little crazy. Now came over to see me. Come on, fish. Come on, fishy fish. Got the window in the bedroom open. Granted, the bedroom's on the far side of my house, but I let the dog bark from across the street permeate into the house a little bit more. It's a very, very nice day. Low 70s. Just enough wind to make it comfortable. I actually think we're going up to almost 80 tomorrow. At 68 right now. It's about 7:30 at night. Yeah, 78 tomorrow. 74 on Saturday. And a little bit of rain on Sunday. 79 on Monday. Wow. And then thunderstorms later next week, maybe. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Did not think it was going to be this slow. 13 minutes in, we have 6 fish. Perfect day for perching. I'm going to bring this back over to where the fish kind of tend to be. That's a decent sign. Not amazing though. 451-gram perch. Come on, fish. Come on, take it. Don't give up. You gave up. Yep. $577 perch. Not bad. Especially for a floater perch. Come on, fish. I forgot it's Thursday night. I gotta take the trash out tonight. Actually, yeah. I think it was last week was Columbus Day and they still came. For me, I get trash picked up once a day. Or once a week. Once a day. Once a week. And if there was a holiday in the week, they push it back to Saturday. Dog was making noise, so paused for a second. Decent fish here. 677. Someone's trying to woof and I'm trying to not let him. Come on, fish. No. Come on, fishy fish. Yeah, today's not going to be a good day fishing, it seems like. 9 fish, 20 minutes, 21 minutes. Come on, fish. Someone's being a pain in the butt tonight. I think he wants to go OUT and run for a bit. There may be squeaky toy noises here in a second. We'll see. Hopefully that'll, call fish. Nope, not going to be a squeaky toy, but going to be a plastic thing you can chew on. Another 5 to 600 gram perch. 578. This might be a little bit bigger. Not a trophy though. Maybe 6 to 7. 877. Come on, fish. There we go. Another fish over here on 3. And get it around the dock. Yes. $693 gram perch. Come on, fish. Come on. All right, someone needs to go out. Right back. All right, I'm back. We're getting into nighttime, so I'm probably going to pause after I bring these two fish in. But these fish have been on the line for who knows how long while I was out with the dog. This one's not amazing, unless it's just super worn out. 500 grams, so not super amazing. Gonna go ahead and pause again as we get into nighttime. I'm not gonna switch over to rough or anything like that, but I'll let it run through the night and see if we get anything. But since I expected it to be slow, we'll go ahead and pause. Be back in a few. All right, we're back. Got something decent on the float rod here. It may not be a trophy. 1.394, I was right. It was pretty close, but not quite a trophy. 1.6 is what we're looking for, so still 200 grams off. But that is a nice fish for a telestick. So gonna go ahead and pause again. If we get something good again, we'll be back. All right, we're back. It's about 5:30 in the morning. Overnight, I got a couple of 500-gram perches, but nothing super amazing. And a lot of time where nothing happened. Got a 1.2 kilo one there on the bottom rod. There was about 9 minutes, 11 minutes where I got no fish whatsoever. So I think the last fish you saw was probably this 1.3, almost 1.4 kilo fish. Got another 500-gram perch, 428 perch, 432 perch, 500-gram on bottom rod. All of them were on bottom. And then that 1.2 kilo. So we'll go a little bit through the day today, see if we get anything good. I'm not holding my breath, honestly, but got to give it at least a try. We'll see if we get anything. Boat rod's got a nibble going on. So does rod 2. Float rod, that's a cruise. No, that's a mirror carp. Yeah. Small mirror carp, 1 kilo mirror carp. I could actually cut that fish up in May for fish piece bait. And on 2 was a 491-gram perch. Actually curious about something. Okay, good. I'm still well over telescopic fish over feeder. Knew I've been doing a lot of telescopic fish recently, so I was kind of curious. Or sorry, I've been doing a lot of feeder fishing recently, and I was curious if I caught more feeder fish than telescopic. Or really telescopic and bolo. 531-gram bottom rod fish there. I lost track of the float there and took a big step to the side instead of a smaller one. Still not used to having it set to auto run. And another 500-600 gram fish. $606. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. That's on. Gotcha. Nothing amazing, though. Yeah, better than I thought. I was leaning towards that being 300 to 400. Probably go to about noon in game, and then we'll make a decision from there. Come on, take it. Take it and be a trophy. I'm as tired as you all are of me perch fishing. Words that rhyme with Tucker. Come on, fish. Another 600, 700 gram fish. Maybe less. Yeah, 398. That 1 kilo mirror carp was a weekly U.S. record on Telestick. Not even a marker. Wow. I did not expect that. That fish. It's, I'm guessing it was at the bottom. These folks should be catching more. No, it was number two. 2 of 4 mirror carp caught on Telestick. this week in the U.S. Wow. Almost want to go to Bear and break that on Saturday. Yeah, 365-gram perch. Hoping the clouds might make things a little bit better, but it doesn't seem like it's going to today. Come on, fishy fish. Here we go. Here we go. Nope. Common crap. Got excited there for a second. $500-gram floater perch. Come on, fish. I'm losing my attention very quickly. And if I'm losing my attention while fishing, I'm sure others are. Yep. I've lost all intention. We're going to wrap it up there at that nice round number of 29 fish. We got 2 that we can cut up. All right, let's go ahead and do that. So, piece of the fish, fillet knife. I think they redid that model too. Common carp. And our weekly record mirror carp. I'll take it. Go sell these 27. Are they all perch? 26 perch. They are all markers though. 26 perch and 1 decent white bream. It's not going to be a super duper good day. Anything like that. Cafe. There's a trophy perch order and 6 big white bream or 5 small white bream. But yeah, nothing for the cafe. Is what it is. So 27 fish, 54 silver. Not bad. That's 2 silver a fish average for perch, which is pretty decent. So I'll take it. Hope you all enjoyed. We'll be back again tomorrow over in the spin character, and we'll see you then. Bye bye now.